Hello and welcome back to the channel. So this is either going to be a camping success story or a documentary about how a 55-year-old man got defeated by fabric. Today, I am setting up my Lone Rider MotoTent for the first time in my life. I have never set up this tent. I have never set up any tent. My camping experience is basically just YouTube videos and comments. So I wanted to test something important. Worst case scenario. No manual reading, no camping background, just common sense and confidence that may or may not be misplaced. I wanted to know if I reach a campsite tired after a long ride, how long will this actually take me? So I hit record, started the timer, and went full Gen X trial and error mode. At this point, I am pretending I understand what these poles are doing. This one looks important, I think. Why does this zipper have 3 directions? Who designed this? NASA? And this is the moment I realized tents don't come with subtitles. 20 minutes. Exactly 20 minutes. Zero experience, zero practice, zero camping history. Now here is the honest truth. For a first-time setup of a motorcycle tent this size, this is actually very respectable, at least in my opinion. Experienced motor tent users report 8 to 12 minutes after practice and 15 minutes after first few times. So 20 minutes as a complete rookie, that's not bad at all. That's dad learning technology but succeeding level. And more importantly, no yelling, no pole snapping, no emotional breakdown. I think this is a victory for me. Now the real tests, the breakdown time test. Because setting up is one thing, packing it back properly, that's where marriages are tested. Breakdown is usually harder than setup. But the motor tent folds back in a logical way. The pole system collapses cleanly, the stuff sack is not ridiculously small. And yes, I managed to fit everything back in, without sitting on the back like a desperate airline passenger. That alone deserves applause. To myself, 11 minutes and 30 seconds. That honestly surprised me. Now let's quickly talk about why this tent is different. And I have no affiliation with Lone Rider, so this video is not paid for by anyone. I spend my own hard-earned money, a lot of it on this tent. So this is basically not just a tent, it's a motorcycle base camp system. Massive vestibule area, fits large adventure bikes like the BMW R1250 GSA, can be used as a garage or covered seating area, keeps bike protected from dew, rain and desert dust. For someone like me who treats Manchalee like a second wife, she gets her own parking spot. Respect. This motor tent is built for serious touring. Waterproof fly, high hydrostatic rating, wind-resistant pole geometry, fully enclosed sleeping chamber, separate dry sleeping pod. That means gear outside, you inside, dry, comfortable, not hugging your helmet for warmth. I have to admit, Lone Rider does give a lot of attention to details. This is where they impressed me. Multiple internal hooks for lights, attachment points for jackets, smart zipper placements, ventilation windows, reinforced anchor points. It feels engineered, not just stitched. Even the zippers feel premium, smooth, heavy duty, confidence inspiring. Now next important question. Will a 6'2" Gen X biker fit inside? I inflated my airbed. Inflation time 2 minutes 10 seconds. Deflation and roll up 2 minutes 50 seconds. That's faster than some people decide what to order at Starbucks. And when I lay down, plenty of space. Inches left at my feet, inches above my head, side room for boots and riding gear. Complete weatherproof inner chamber. Zips closed, feels cozy, not claustrophobic. This is not survival camping. This is middle-aged comfort touring. And I approve it. So is 20 minutes bad? Let's be honest. Hardcore campers will say, bro, I can set it up in 7 minutes. Yes, after 50 setups. For someone who has never camped, pitched a tent, practiced beforehand, 20 minutes is excellent, I would say. And breakdown under 12 minutes, even better. By my third or fourth setup, I can easily see this becoming a 10-minute routine. Now let's just appreciate something. I can navigate desert gravel now, ride 300, 400 kilometers in a day, mount cameras, install motor lights, but give me fabric and poles. Suddenly, I am confused uncle at IKEA. That's a growth journey. My closing thoughts, is the Lone Rider MotoTent cheap? No. Is it premium? Yes. Is it practical for long adventure trips? Absolutely. Would I trust in wind, rain, desert condition based on quality? Yes. Is it beginner friendly? Surprisingly, yes. If a complete rookie like me can set it up in 20 minutes in first try, you will also survive. So this was my first ever camping setup test. No tutorials, no practice, no backup call to friend, just me, a tent and mild confusion. Next step, which is the most important thing, actually taking this into wild. Desert camping with Manchalee. That's my dream now. Stars, silence and hopefully no scorpions. If you enjoyed watching a 55-year-old rookie learning camping, subscribe and remember, you are never too old to learn something new, even if it comes with poles. Thank you. Signing off, MotoMoku.